निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ज्ञानम इज ऑफ हाउ मेनी टाइप्स? जन्यम ज्ञानम संस्कार मात्र जन्यत्वे सति ज्ञानत्वम स्मृतेः लक्षणम। आई डोंट से तद भिन्नम। हाँ, स्मृति ज्ञान लक्षणम। सच द्विविधाः। यथार्थानुभव %80 of तर्क संग्रह is over in this. 80% of तर्क संग्रह is तत्र गंधवती पृथ्वी, how many द्रव्य, how many पदार्थ, these that, all of that put together is this one line. तद्वती तत्प्रकार को अनुभव। यथार्थानुभव, यथार्थानुभव is called प्रमा. So whenever you study philosophy, darshan shastra is only about two things mainly: prama, pramanam. Prama, pramanam, because prama, bas. All the time they will be talking about what is the pramana, what is the prama. What is not prama is bhranti. Forget it. So it is all about prama. That's why first thing they will teach you is pramana vichara in all darshanas. Okay, so tadvati tat prakaraka. Tadvati is saptami vibhakti. So we saw संसर्ग. What is Vishesha? Ghata. Prakara is Ghatatva. So Ghata Jnanam will have Ghata Vishesha. Ghatatva Prakara means if you want to Ghatatva Vishishta Ghataha. Ghatatva will be Visheshana for Ghata. So Ghata is Vishesha. Prakara is called Visheshana. Ghatatva Vishishta Ghata. ऐसा घट जिसमें घट, ऐसा मनुष्य जिसमें मनुष्यत्व है. घटत्व विशिष्ट घट प्रकारक. घटत्व विशिष्ट देश से समटाइम्स, और यू जस्ट से घटत्व विशिष्ट घट ज्ञानम. सो घट ज्ञानम, घटत्व ज्ञानम, संसर्ग ज्ञानम, ऑल थ्री ज्ञानम इन घट ज्ञान, अनुभव. हाँ, इट इज कॉल्ड अनुभव. प्रमा तद्वती तत्प्रकारक. घटनिष्ठ विशेषता निरूपित, घटत्वनिष्ठ प्रकारता निरूपित, समवाय निरूपित, समवाय निष्ठ संसर्गता. समवाय निष्ठ संसर्गता. घटनिष्ठ विशेष्यता, प्रकारता, समवाय निष्ठ संसर्गता. इफ आई से रूपवान घट, देन व्हाट इज विशेष्य? घट. एंड व्हाट इज विशेषण? रूप. इंस्टेड ऑफ घटत्व, नाउ यू सी घट इज ऑलवेज विथ रूप ओनली, एक्सेप्ट फॉर दी प्रथम क्षण. गुण इज नॉट देयर इन प्रथम क्षण. आफ्टर दैट इट इज with guna, so it is rupavan. Rupavan घट. तत्प्रकार को यस्य सह तथा इत्यर्थः. वती is given. तद्वती विशेष्यक. इन दैट तत्प्रकार का अनुभव. यथा ज्ञानम. दिस इज गिवन इन आवर बुक. इफ योर बुक हैज घटा और समथिंग और रजत ऑन. रजत, दिस इज यथार्थानुभव. सैव प्रमा, दिस इज ओके. अप टू दिस वी सॉ. So, this one we have to see now. Tad vishesh, tadva visheshaka, tadvati tat prakaraka means tadvad vishesh. ऐसा प्रकार है. रखो, जैसा विशेष्य है वैसा प्रकार. घटत्व प्रकारक कहाँ मिलेगा? घट में ही मिलेगा. पट में घटत्व प्रकारक नहीं मिलेगा. तो पट में घटत्व बुद्धि हुई. इन पट नॉलेज इट हैज घटत्व. दिस विल बी भ्रांति, अयथार्थ अनुभव. इन रज्जु, रज्जुत्व ज्ञानम इज यथार्थ. वाई? बिकॉज रज्जुत्व इज देयर. रज्जु रज्जुत्वेन ज्ञातम. पुष्पत्वेन ज्ञातम यथार्थ. रज्जु सर्पत्वेन ज्ञातम अयथार्थ. तद अभाववती तत्प्रकारक, दैट विल कम लेटर. ओके, नाउ लेट अस फिनिश दिस पदकृत्यम. स्मृति वारणाय अनुभवः. If anubhava pada is not given, it is said tadvati tat prakarakah yatharthah. Then what will happen?
Ativyapti will be there in Smriti.
Ativyapti will be there in Smriti. That's why anubhava pada is given. Next one is निर्विकल्पके अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय तत्प्रकारक इति. निर्विकल्पके अतिव्याप्ति.
Before that, one more sentence is there, Swamiji.
हाँ, अयथार्थानुभव वारणाय तद्वति इति. If तत्प्रकारको अनुभव, only this much is given, and tadvati is not given, then the lakshana can go in ayathartha also. Ayathartha is also tat prakaraka. Yathartha is also tat prakaraka. Both are anubhava. So, ayathartha anubhava varanaya tadvati iti deyam. निर्विकल्पके अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय तत्प्रकारक इति. In निर्विकल्पक there will be अतिव्याप्ति. निर्विकल्पके अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय. निर्विकल्पक ज्ञानम is निष्प्रकारकम. निर्विकल्पक ज्ञानम has no prakara. So therefore tadvati tat prakaraka will not happen in nirvikalpaka. Tad abhavavati tat prakaraka also will not happen in nirvikalpaka, because prakara itself is not there. So that's why what is given? Nirvikalpake ativyapti varanaya. Nirvikalpaka doesn't have prakara. So if you put prakara, that means lakshana will not go in nirvikalpaka. But sometimes actually this will become a problem. This lakshana is not perfect. Nirdushta, it is not. Why? Nirvikalpakam is also jnanam. It will not go in yathartha also, ayathartha also, and it is not smriti also. It will not go anywhere. So this is apatti actually. They have not defined it. No, will it be yathartha anubhava or ayathartha? When you do lakshana, you will have to define, right? So if you say pratyaksha, nirvikalpa pratyaksha, right? Is it yathartha or ayathartha? So that's why it is not defined. It will come. Right now you just understand nirvikalpake ativyapti varanaya tatprakaraka. तदभाववति तत्प्रकारको अनुभवो यथार्थः. तदभाववति तत्प्रकारको अनुभवो यथार्थः. यथा शुक्ताविदं रजतमिति ज्ञानम्. सैवाप्रमेत्युच्यते. So this is called aprama, and the earlier was called yatharthanubhava is prama. अयथार्थानुभव इज अप्रमा, यथार्थानुभव प्रमा, अयथार्थानुभव अप्रमा। यथा शुक्तौ इदम रजतम इति ज्ञानम, शुक्ति में क्या ज्ञान होना? रजत ज्ञान, ये है अयथार्थानुभव अथवा अप्रमा। तद अभाववती तत्प्रकारक, यत्र यस्य अभावः तत्र तत्प्रकारकं ज्ञानम। सर्पत्व अभाववती सर्पत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम। जहाँ सर्पत्व नहीं है, यत्र सर्पत्वम नास्ति तत्र सर्पत्व ज्ञानम। सर्पत्वम कुत्र नास्ति? रज्जौ। रजतत्वम कुत्र नास्ति? शुक्तौ। शुक्तौ रजत ज्ञानम, रज्जौ सर्प ज्ञानम। इज कॉल्ड अध्यारोप। असर्पभूतायाम रज्ज्वाम सर्प ज्ञानम, ये अध्यारोप। अतस्मिन् तद्बुद्धि, यत्र यन्नास्ति तत्र तद्बुद्धि। जो जहाँ नहीं है वहाँ वो ज्ञान होना। देयर वेयर समथिंग इज नॉट, टू थिंक दैट इट इज। देहे आत्मबुद्धि, यथार्थानुभव और अयथार्थानुभव, इट्स कॉल्ड अप्रमा। देहे इंद्रियेषु प्राणेषु अंतःकरणे आत्मबुद्धि अप्रमा, अयथार्थ, ठीक नहीं हुआ ज्ञान। पदकृत्या तद अभाववत विशेषक तत्प्रकार को अनुभवो अयथार्थानुभव इत्यर्थ। तद अभाववत, अभाववत, वत मीन्स अभाववत। विच प्रत्यय इज दिस?
That which is abhava. अभाव वाला।
विच प्रत्यय इज दिस? मतु प्रत्यय इज दिस। And then I told you how it becomes what? What is this sutra? You remember? What is matu pratyaya विधायक सूत्र? तदस्य अस्ति इति, तदस्य अस्ति अस्मिन् इति मतु, तदस्य अस्ति अस्मिन् इति मतु। एंड मादुपधायाश्च मतोर वो यवादिभ्यः, मादुपधायाश्च मतो वह, मत का क्या हो जाएगा? वह। तो शब्द क्या बना यहाँ? व्हाट इज द वर्ड नाउ? तद अभाववत, तद अभाववत, तद अभाववत विशेष्यक तत्प्रकार को अनुभवो अयथार्थानुभव इत्यर्थः। तद अभाववत विशेष्यक तत्प्रकार को अनुभव अयथार्थ। अयथार्थ अनुभव यथा शुक्तौ इदम रजतम इति ज्ञानम। सो अभाववत विशेष्यक तत्प्रकारक, अभाववत अभाव वाले में, अभाववत विशेष्यक, घट अभाववत घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम। अनुभव अयथार्थानुभव। यथा शुक्तौ इदं रजतम इति ज्ञानम, शुक्तौ इदं रजतम इति ज्ञानम, स्मृति वारणाय अनुभव। So we will see later there is yatharthanubhava, ayatharthanubhava. Like that there is yathartha smriti, ayathartha smriti. यथार्थानुभवे अतिव्याप्ति निरसनाय तदभाववती इति। यथार्थानुभवे अतिव्याप्ति निरसनाय, यथार्थानुभव in that अतिव्याप्ति, to remove that अतिव्याप्ति in यथार्थानुभव, तद अभाववती is given. So if it is said only tat prakara ko anubhavo, then it can be yathartha also. So to eliminate that, अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय तद अभाववती is given. तद अभाववती यथार्थानुभवे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय तद अभाववती इति। निर्विकल्पक वारणाय तत्प्रकारक. You see now here, to remove निर्विकल्पक तत्प्रकारक is given. Where? In ayathartha. So yathartha anubhava said to nirvikalpaka, I don't want you. Ayathartha anubhava said to nirvikalpaka, I don't want you. So nirvikalpaka varanam is done in yathartha anubhava, ayathartha anubhava, means in all anubhava. Now what is remaining? Smriti. So smriti will not have nirvikalpaka. So where will it go? This is the problem. So that's why some acharyas they said this nirvikalpaka varanaya, this line is, you remove this line. This line cannot come because it is there in both. But in Nyaya Bodhini and all, this line is not there. I mean, this kind of, there is nothing to do with nirvikalpaka in other tika. Okay. Now, यथार्थानुभवश् चतुर्विधः प्रत्यक्ष अनुमित्युपमिति शाब्द भेदात् प्रत्यक्षानुमित्युपमिति शाब्द भेदात् यथार्थानुभव is prama. Prama is of 4 types. Pratyaksha prama is produced through pratyaksha pramanam. Anumiti prama is produced through anumanam or anumana pramanam. Upamiti prama is produced through upamanam और उपमान प्रमाणम. शाब्द प्रमा, शाब्द, see, शाब्द प्रमा is produced through शब्द प्रमाणम. प्रमा प्रमाणम. अनुमिति is प्रमा और प्रमाणम. प्रमा. शाब्द is प्रमा और प्रमाणम. प्रमा. This we have to remember. प्रत्यक्ष is प्रमा और प्रमाणम. प्रत्यक्ष is both. Prama is also called pratyaksha. Pramanam is also called pratyaksha. Vishaya is pratyaksha or not? Vishay is also called pratyaksha. So when it is said pratyaksha, so you have to know whether they are talking about pratyaksha vishaya, pratyaksha prama or pratyaksha pramanam. Everything will be said pratyaksha only. Pratyaksha anumiti upamiti shabda bhedat. यथार्थानुभवः. यथार्थानुभव is classified into 4 चतुर्विधः. भ्रांति प्रत्यक्षजन्य अनुमितिजन्य, you can say that. Now little bit of darshana. So whenever there is praman, it will be associated with darshana. Okay, so you see now यथार्थानुभवः प्रत्यक्षम एव इति चार्वाकाः. चार्वाक people will say यथार्थानुभव is only pratyaksha, means they accept only pratyaksha pramanam. Charvak people accept how many pramanas? Only one.
One Brahma.
Which pramana is that? Pratyaksha. And what is their philosophy? Yavat jivet sukham jivet ऋणम कृत्वा घृतं पिबेत भस्मीभूतस्य देहस्य पुनरागमनं कुतः. This is their darshan. Maximum number of people follow which darshan? Charvak darshan. So yavat jivet sukham jivet, as long as you live happily. Well, I don't have money, how will I live happily? Rinam. See, rinam kritva ghritam pibet doesn't mean only for ghee you take rinam. Rinam kritva ghritam pibet means you take loan and then you pay EMI. What is EMI? Monthly you pay some installments. And before that, before you finish everything, if you die, then deha is bhasmibhuta. What is punya? What is papa? There is no punya papa. Bhasmibhutasya dehasya punaragamanam kutaha is not there. You are not going to come back. Or moksha ghat is there, right? Bhasmibhutasya dehasya punaragamanam nasti. Anyway, those who burn their body at ghat, they already have faith in Punarjanma. That's why they go all the way here. Otherwise, why would they come here? Right? Charvak won't come. They don't have any greater value for Gangaji. They won't come here. These people who come here, they say, final punya at least I will get. Charvaka. Anumiti hi api इति काणाद बौद्धौ. अनुमिति ही अपि. अनुमिति ही अपि means
Pratyaksha and Anumana.
no, river rafting people come here, but they don't come here to die. These people, they come for cremation. They are different. I mean, they tell their family, finally take my body there. Anumiti api means pratyaksha and anumanam. Anumiti. Anumiti means prama. They accept two pramas. Who accept two pramas? Kanada Bauddhaha. Kanada Bauddhau. Kanada means which darshan? Vaisheshika. Vaisheshikaha and Bauddhaha, they accept two prama. Means how many pramana they accept? Two. Pratyaksha, Anumanam. Upamiti hi api iti Nayyayika Ekadeshinaha. Some Nayyayikas. Ekadeshina means one group in Nayyayika, they accept Upaman praman also. Upamiti hi api iti Nayyayika Ekadeshinaha. So they have three prama, means they have three pramanam. Shabdam api iti Nayyayikaha. And Nayyayika, they accept four pramana. 4 prama means 4 pramana. So Charvaka 1, Vaisheshika 2, Nyaya Ekadeshinah 3, Bauddha 2, Nayayika 4. अर्थापत्ति ही अपि इति प्राभाकराः. Now our dear Prabhakaras have come. They say accept Arthapatti also. Arthapatti, what is the Lakshana? Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam. You have to remember Arthapatti. Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam Arthapatti. In Vedanta Paribhasha it will come. Some people have already studied Vedanta Paribhasha and forgotten also. So Upapadya is Devadatta is Pinatvam and Upapadaka is Ratri Bhojanam. अर्थापत्ति ही पत्ति ही अपि इति प्रभाकरः. So Prabhakara, how many pramana they accept? 5. So how many pramana they accept? 5. आनुपलब्धिकोपि इति भाट्ट वेदांतिनौ. आनुपलब्धिकः. आनुपलब्धिकः is अनुपलब्धि जन्य प्रमा. आनुपलब्धिका. आनुपलब्धिकः भाट्टः. आनुपलब्धिकः भाट्टः मीन्स आनुपलब्धिका प्रमा यः स्वीकरोति सः आनुपलब्धिकः भाट्टः. भाट्ट इज कॉल्ड आनुपलब्धिकः अपि. This is the name for Bhatta and this is also the name for Vedantin, because we accept 6 prama. Anupalabdhi also we accept. Nyaya, I told you, Arthapatti they don't accept. Where do they put Arthapatti in? In Anumana Pramana Vyatireki Vyapti. And Anupalabdhi, where do they include? In Pratyaksha. Because they say Atra Ghata Abhava. So Ghata Abhava you know through Pratyaksha. The Vedantin don't know that. Vedantins are saying Anupalabdhi Pramana. Why you have to use another Pramana if Pratyaksha already tells you? Atra Ashwa Abhavo Asti Nava Asti. Katham Jnataha Pratyakshana. This is what they say. What we will say? Indriya Sannikarsha happened with Ashwa Abhava. Abhava is not with the Vishaya. Abhava is Abhava Vishaya. So what you are knowing is Anupalabdhi. So there is a Matabheda. Kumaril Bhatt. Kumaril Bhatt Anuyayi is Bhatta. Prabhakar, they don't accept Anupalabdhi Pramana. In Mimamsakas, there are 3 Mimamsakas. 2 main, third one is also there. Mukhya is Kumaril Bhatt. His disciple was Prabhakara. And this third one is Murari Mishra. His name also comes sometimes. So they are 3. Bhatta Mata is called Acharya Mata. Prabhakar Mata is called Guru Mata. Kumaril Bhatt is called Acharya Prabhakar is called Guru. He started different mata. There was one sentence which Kumaril Bhatta was explaining. Purvam tu noktam adhuna pyanoktam dvivara uktam. Like that there was some sentence. Purvam tu noktam adhuna pyanoktam dvivara uktam. Purvam tu na uktam. Purvam tu na uktam, purvam tu noktam. Adhuna api na uktam, adhuna pyanoktam. And the sentence said, dvivara uktam. Twice we said. Earlier, so how does it read? Earlier it was not said. Now it is not said. It is said twice. So Acharya didn't, means Kumaril Bhatta, when he was looking at it and didn't get immediately what it was. So this Prabhakara, he said, Purvam tu na uktam. Tu noktam is there, no? How you have to split? Purvam tu na uktam. Tuna is tritiya. By the word tu, it is said. Adhuna apina uktam. Tunoktam apinoktam tuna apina. In this way twice it is said. From that he became, so there were people, Panchapadika and all has lot of Ratna Prabha, not Ratna Prabha, a lot of Prabhakara. Mukhya opposition is Prabhakara only there. Now you see, if we are not following Prabhakara, we don't know Prabhakara, and then first we have to understand Prabhakara and then we have to do Khandan of Prabhakara. Like how first we study Nyaya, then you study Khandana of Nyaya. How much time you have in life and how many internal problems you have to work on to take out all these kuda kachara, chitta shuddhi, etc. But you see, those people, they had luxury of time, and that time Prabhakar was Mukhya Purvapaksha. Panchapadikakar is Padmapadacharya. Padmapadacharya's mama was Prabhakara disciple. He was the Prabhakara. So all the time he would talk about Prabhakar only. So Padmapadacharya, when he studied Vedanta, he said, I am going to do Khandan. So when he wrote commentary on Brahma Sutra, he wrote all Khandanam of Prabhakar, Khandan. Then he said, I want to go to Yatra. He kept that copy in Mama's house. Mama understood that if this gets published, we are out. So he burned the whole house along with the commentary. So when he came back, Padmapadacharya, he said, where is my book? His mama said, my house is burnt. Along with that, your book is also gone. So let us do Bhagavad Bhajan now. Padmapadacharya went to his guru. Not only that, he said, let's first eat. And in that food, he gave lot of dahi, khatta dahi. He fed him, sour. His buddhi became brushed. He couldn't remember anything. Then he went to Guru. Guru said, commentary over, Brahma Sutra. He said, what over? Everything is burnt. And I can't remember. Guru said, you write again. What is there? You remember whatever you have written. He said, I can't remember anything now. Guru said, I told you, don't go. This is, now you say, whatever I remember, I will tell you, because you had read it out to me once. So now you write down. Guru gave the whole thing that he wrote down. That's all. That is all that is available now. So it is called Panchapadika. It has only 5 things. Adhyasa Bhashya and 4 sutras. That's all. Chatusutri only. After that there is nothing. So this is Bhatta Vedanti. Now some other pramanas are there. Up to this is Mukhya. The others we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutravashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti